My next step is to drain the pasta when it's done. Chop the sausages. It's a quick one, right? Yeah, it's not too much faff. Chef Sasha is going to slice away. My husband is standing here because he never trusts me to cook. Never ever. I'm going to cut the Sicilian, whatever this thing is. How do you even open it? 90% meat, guys. So I'm going to cut it in a design. Chef Sasha.
That's enough.
Are you here watching me or do you want me to do it?
If you cut them too small, all the filling will come out when you start frying.
I'm cutting the way you cut like plantain. It smells very garlicky.
Yeah.
It feels like proper meat as well. Do you not need to put tomato in it?
No.
For aesthetics?
No. You see how you're mashing it now because you're cutting it too small.
Okay, like this.
Yes, that's it.
It's because I'm using pressure now, babe. Before I wasn't using pressure because I'm scared of knives. It's not leveled or what?
It is.
So why is there no oil on this side?
Because I poured more in one place. Sausage is fried.
Pour the sauce in.
Yeah, whack the whole thing in.
It's going to splatter everywhere, you know, babe, because of the frying pan you've chosen.
No, you can reduce it. Number one.
Just make a mess everywhere.
It's not going to splatter anyway.
It's splattering because it's tomatoes, babe. Don't know why you can't use cast iron pan.
No, because it will stick. Stir it.
You don't see. Smells good though.
Now you can drain the pasta water.
Value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It really does make a huge difference to the channel, and we will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.